What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to change the oil in your 2019 F-150 with the 2.7 liter Ecoboost engine. So the tools you're going to want to have for this, obviously 6 quarts of 5W30 motor oil, the oil filter along with the 3 gaskets mixture that comes with that, 27mm socket for the oil filter with the extension, hook and pick set for the O-rings, 8mm socket for the skid plate underneath the oil pan. You're also going to want a torque wrench to put the oil filter back on correctly. The first thing you want to do is loosen this oil filter housing to let all the oil drain out. That's going to be your 27mm socket right there. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove the 4 8mm bolts for the skid plate, one up on the top corner, one on that corner, and then you can kind of see there's 2 towards the middle right there. I heard on these newer F-150s, shoots out a ton of oil, makes a mess, so I got a bunch of cardboard down under here to try and protect the driveway. There's our drain plug right there. You just need to take your hand and twist it to take it off, no tools required. I'm going to put a glove on though because it's probably going to make a big mess. Ford says to let this drain for about 20 minutes, so while this is draining I'm going to go ahead and swap out the O-rings on the filter. Alright, so I got the first O-ring off already. Looks like these big ones come off pretty easily. Just get the pick down in there, pull it. Kind of just get it off by hand at that point. Okay, now I just got to do this little one right here. Now I'm going to install the 3 new O-rings onto the filter housing. We're going to take the new filter and insert it into the housing. And there we go. Now we're ready to put this back in the engine. So I'm going to tighten this down by hand. And then when it gets tight, I'm going to go get my torque wrench and set it to 18 foot-pounds. That's Ford's spec for the oil filter. So while I was doing that, all the oil drained. You can see it was a good idea to put the cardboard down. A lot of it spilled over. Alright, so now we're on to the last step of this process. We're going to reset the oil life. You're going to use your switches right here. Go into settings, advanced settings, vehicle, oil life reset. You can see I had 39% life on my oil. We're going to go ahead and hold OK to reset. There we go. Easy as that. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If this video helped you, please give it a like, help me out, and thank you for watching.
Might go crazy 80 on the interstate. He might just cap a F-150, whip it like it's a Mercedes. Might show up in camouflage with entourage of VMAs. Oh my gosh, it's wavy Davy, yeah, he's back in this behavior.